What's going on, y'all? We about to make a patty melt today. I know it's a little bit old school, but we finna hit it up with two different cheeses, and it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So check it. First thing we need to do, go ahead and rain on it. Hit it with some salt, some pepper, fresh of course. And while that salt marinates on that meat, we gonna go ahead and get some onions grilling. Cause I want me some grilled onions on my patty melt today, y'all. Sure do. So we just simply gonna sweat these down, get them brown, and get them out this pan. Then we're gonna get our meat down, salt and pepper side down, of course, first. And we gonna smash those burgers straight on down. Now you need a real stiff spatula for this. You know, cause you wanna smash them down pretty good, but you don't wanna smash them down like a smash burger, you know. I want them a little thick. But anyway, after we get them smashed down, we're gonna rain on it with salt, pepper, and a little bit of this beef rub, y'all. Now you can use the beef rub that you like, or you can use this one. This is one that I like, y'all, and I think it's pretty tasty. You should try it at least. If you can't get it where you live, you can get it off of Amazon. But anyway, after we get that first side brown, we gonna give it a flip. Get our mozzarella cheese on one side. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you don't know, but I love my mozz, y'all. Gotta have me some mozzarella cheese. And then we gonna get our grilled onions right on top of that cheese. Put us a little dome on top, just to melt that cheese right quick. And of course, once that cheese melts, we gonna get it off and clean that pan out. And then we gonna get our bread in that same pan. Add some cheddar cheese for my wife and some goat cheese for me. Now once we get that cheese on, we gonna add our burger patties. And oh yeah, we gonna get that other piece of bread right on top. And as soon as we think that bread is toasted, we gonna give that a flip. Now if you don't know, it shouldn't take no more than about a minute to toast that bread, y'all. No more than about a minute. And as soon as that other side of bread is toasted, we get it off and we finna eat. Now let's cut a cross section and see what we working with, y'all. See what we working with. And look at that tasty burger. Let me get a bite, y'all. Let me get a bite. And oh my goodness, that goat cheese came through for me. Now if you don't like goat cheese, you ain't gonna like the way I did it. You might want that cheddar version. And we had them home fries with it. Everything came together perfect. And as always, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.